So you want to be an affiliate for SystemeIO? Well, you have to understand a few things about it. In English, SystemeIO is going places. In 2022, it's been the year that the English world have discovered SystemeIO and have come to appreciate the software for its simplicity and powerfulness. It works, and it's simple to use, most simple you can do. It's still technical software, but it's a simple interface, and it does the job. I don't say it's powerful, you can do many things. No, you can do things, it works very well done. So, and the price is low. That's a key point also. The price is low compared to the competition. So, in 2023, now it's going to explode in English. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer for SystemeIO, you have to understand a few things. First, I will talk about the marketplace. The marketplace of SystemeIO is not an affiliate platform, which means that each product, each offer in this marketplace, the commissions are paid by the vendor. SystemeIO has nothing to do with the relationship between the vendors and the affiliates. So if you want to be an affiliate marketer for SystemeIO, it's not by promoting offers in the marketplace, because those are not SystemeIO offers. Nothing to do with them. So you will have to deal with each vendors in order to get paid your commissions, or maybe I will not enter into details. It's just a point to say it's not an affiliate platform. SystemeIO is not paying the commissions. It's not doing anything with problems between people, between affiliates and vendors. So in the marketplace, what you can find is an affiliate program where the vendor is SystemeIO. And for me, that's the only vendor I would trust, because the products that are inside these vendors include the SystemeIO plans. So the plans, recurring commissions, and a few products of SystemeIO, they are paid together by SystemeIO on the 10th of each month. There is no problem. So that's why I ignore everything else, and I only use this to promote only the product from SystemeIO. It's better that way. But I just want last things to show you. In the marketplace at the moment, we have still less than 200 offers in the marketplace. In French, you have thousands of offers, and there are several every day being added. In the English side, you still have some days with no new offer. You see, 29 December 2, but then the 28 December none, 27, 26, 25 none, 24 there was 2, and 23 none, and this will not happen again in 2023. The English will rise, and you will have maybe dozens of new offers every day. That will happen this year, because the growth is so impressive in English. So it will go over the French at the moment. So let's get back to the video. Is to become an affiliate for SystemeIO, okay? So the affiliate program is often 50% of the plan's price, and it's recurring commission for life. It's not only 1 year. The 50% each month that your customers pay for SystemeIO plan, for their SystemeIO plan. And you have free plans, of course, 4 with the free one, okay, but also otherwise free plans with different prices. So we choose SystemeIO. As you will see in the marketplace, they don't have everything, don't have every links. So you see our offers, a few things, some courses. Here you have the annual plans, so you pay yearly for the unlimited, webinar, and startup plans. So you have the yearly plans, but you don't have the monthly plans. So that's a problem. And you see here you have only 3 plans, so 3 offers. But as I will show you, there are other links you can use. And that's the end of the offer. A few courses, 1 free ebook that acts as a lead magnet. That's it. So I have put together in Google Sheets, so you can ask me for it. It's English. You have all the language and all the products. And you can see in this one, I have asked the support for all the plans. So here you have the annual plans, but for the startup plan, there is one offer where you save 40%, and the standard one is save 30% by paying annually. But you have one link also for the 40% for startup only, and then you have the monthly. So why is it useful, all this? Because those are sales pages, which means you can send someone to those pages. This someone has already a free or paid SystemeIO plan, or he doesn't have a plan, it doesn't matter, because it's a sales page. If he pays, it will create or it will upgrade his account or create a new account directly as a paid account. So that's very interesting, because usually what happens, the person has to have a free plan and then upgrade. For instance, if you send this person on the pricing table, the page of SystemeIO, you know that you can add your affiliate ID at the end of any SystemeIO page. So you can use the testimonial page, the home page, or the pricing page. The pricing page has all the plans, and the free one and the annual, and it shows people all the plans and all the features of the plan and all the prices of the plan. But on this page, all you can do is open a new account, a free account. You cannot pay directly, you just create your free account. So if you send people there, they will open a free account, and then it's up to them to upgrade to the plan. With those links, you can direct them to the plans, or you can make your own pricing table and put those links. So when they click on it, it goes to the sales page, they fill in their information, they pay, and they have their account, paid account, at the level and yearly or monthly. So those are very useful links, and you cannot find them in the marketplace. You can only find 3 of them. But usually what I will recommend is that you use the save 40% for startup plan, because it's a very low price. Then the annual webinar plan, the annual unlimited plan, and also the monthly plans. Then you organize like this, and you also can put a free plan. So for the free plan, you can send to the pricing page. So it's system.io/pricing, and you add at the end a question mark SA equals, and you put your affiliate ID. So that's your affiliate link to the pricing table, where they can open a free account. So you can create yourself a table like this. And also, one thing I can show you is, so let me think, affiliate. Yes. I will just show you the page. You can go there and you can create yourself a global signature for your emails. So you can put, look, this affiliate signature, you enter your information. So here you put your SystemeIO affiliate ID. You can choose opt-in page or sales page. I recommend opt-in page. And if for one offer there is no opt-in page, only a sales page, then it will be the sales page in the signature. So here you use the tracking, some information. So affiliate signature is fine. The RPM affiliate ID, this is optional. You can let mine if you want, but I recommend that you create your RPM affiliate ID. RPM is something else, you can click and see, but doesn't matter. It's for affiliate also, it's good. And your name, and you click on create, and you have here the HTML for in order to copy and paste in your global signature in your email marketing software. So it can be SystemeIO, Aweber, or Mailing Bots from Builderall, anything where you can create a global signature for all your emails, and you put this. This has all the links to the plans, monthly and annual, to the pricing page for the free account, and also for the others offers, the products, the courses, the free ebook, all with your affiliate link. So all your email will have those at the end. It's very powerful, because when you know how the affiliate program of SystemeIO works, you know that it's very important to send people regularly back to SystemeIO with your affiliate link, because it sets the affiliate cookie on their browser, and it still does it every time they click on one of your links, affiliate link. It will reset the cookie, so that if they got another cookie, or their cookie has disappeared from their browser, it sets it again, so that when they finally go for a paid plan directly from their interface in SystemeIO, then you will be the affiliate who gets the commission. This is important to set it again and again. So that's why here all those products, in fact, most of them, they are sold only $7. And the 50% commission on them, it's nothing, it's $3.50 or something. So it's not especially for the commission that you do that you have in your global signature, all those links. It's not really for that. It's for to set the cookie again and again. Here, you have a book, free ebook. You send them there, they get their free ebook, and they get, on the thank you page, they have an offer for something paid, which is, I think, but I'm not sure, but it's still $7. So it's a low commission. But at least you have put their email with your affiliate ID into the mailing list of SystemeIO. And within the autoresponder, within the mailing list of SystemeIO, once they are inside, they are tagged with your affiliate ID. So anytime SystemeIO sends an email to them with a link going back to SystemeIO for a plan or for a course, the system adds your affiliate ID at the end of the link. So it resets your cookie for them also in the SystemeIO email list. So you should send people to SystemeIO list so that it also works for you for your commissions. And when I say send, this is why I said in affiliate signature, this one choose opt-in pages, because opt-in pages for some courses they offer a lead magnet and people enter their email inside, so they are in the email list of SystemeIO. If you choose sales page, for the courses, most of them it will be a sales page. So if people don't buy it, they will never be in the email list of SystemeIO. They need to buy and put their email in order to be. So that's more difficult. It's better an opt-in page with a free gift, and so they enter into the mailing list of SystemeIO. That's why I said choose this one. So I don't know what else to say about the affiliate program of SystemeIO. I should say that don't think like for instance in Builderall that you can send people to open a free account and when they upgrade you will have the commission, because it doesn't work that way. If you send people to a free account, it doesn't matter who sent it in a free account, because what matters is which affiliate cookie this person has on his browser at the time where this person upgrades to a paid plan. This is the important part. Which affiliate ID cookie is in the cookie? So it's the last cookie, really important. It's not sending to open a free account like it can be on Builderall. On Builderall, you open a free account to someone, and when they upgrade, they will still be your customers. You will get the commission. I like those programs, of course. But on SystemeIO, it's not like this. So we have to adapt our strategy. Our strategy is not to open a free account. Of course it is. You should talk about SystemeIO and say there is a free account, but also you should regularly send people back to some page on SystemeIO with your affiliate ID in the link in order to reset the cookie in case it has been erased or replaced by another affiliate. So regularly you need to send back, and also you should promote the savings that they can do, because so you should send them to the plans or monthly or yearly, but send them also in order so that they upgrade with the last affiliate cookie as yours. So this is very important to do that. So if you can automate that means to have in your affiliate signature all those links. It means that every email that is being sent by your SystemeIO account will have those opportunities to reset your cookie and also to promote the plans. If you want to do affiliate marketing for SystemeIO, you have to adapt to the specificities of its affiliate program. You cannot do as you do on other software. For Builderall, it's not the same way to go about it, even if there are some things that are similar. But the affiliate program, the nature of the affiliate program means that you need to adapt your strategy. That's why, for instance, on SystemeIO, on the French group, we have seen a lot of leecher, or poachers. Means people who are in the official group and they are just waiting for people to post on the group, and then they contact them in private messages and offering them the annual savings, like the 40% on the annual plan of startup or other things. They are poachers and they are chasing in the group. Why? Because of the nature of the affiliate program, because it's a last cookie affiliate program. On Builderall, these things does not happen because people know that the users of a Facebook group of Builderall already have a Builderall account. So they are not a praise. But on SystemeIO, you have to know that everyone who opens a free account, the next thing they see is an invitation to join the Facebook group. So it means if you stay on this group and every day you go there, you look at the questions, you contact people there, it's a source of money. Because even someone who has a paid plan on SystemeIO, you can make him upgrade with your affiliate link, and the commission for this upgrade, for this new plan, will be yours. It doesn't matter which affiliate was getting the money from this person on his plan. If you can make them upgrade to an annual plan or to the next plan as monthly, you become the affiliate of this person, which you found on the group. That's why on the Facebook group of SystemeIO, you will see people being nice, everything is beautiful because of this, because of the nature of the affiliate program. You have to adapt your strategy to that. So that's a good strategy in the English world, to be on the group and be active every day. Myself, I have been contacted by an Indian in a private message on Facebook saying wanting me to upgrade to a paid plan of SystemeIO. He's doing that every day with everybody on the group. And then on his profile, he shows his commissions and he says, "Oh, you want to know how you do it? Contact me." He's all about that. He's hustling. That's the word, the hustlers. You can do that with SystemeIO, which you cannot do with Builderall. But it's not the hustling, being on the group is still a manual process. What I like, and I think you like it too, since you are into SystemeIO, is the automation. The fact that it's not up to your time how much you earn. It can be also because you have set up a machine, and this is part of the machine that can be useful. Up to you. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye bye.